So we got this situation. If summation r starts from 1 to 9, this thing equals to this thing, then the value of alpha plus beta is okay. Let's proceed. So what I will do some manipulation first. Let us assume that the ugly thing written inside this thing is tr. So can I write r plus 3? Okay, so it is r plus 3 by 2 power r 9cr. So can I write this thing as r by 2 power r 9cr plus 3 by 2 power r 9cr. Okay, now look at this beautiful part. So what I will do, I will be using this property ncr equals n by r n minus 1 cr minus 1 over here, because we have r over here and which we don't like. Okay, so let's try to manipulate that thing first. So r 2 power r 9 by r 8c r minus 1. Okay, so we will have this thing is okay, then this thing 9cr 1 by 2 power r. Okay, so this thing gone. Now look at this thing. Here we have r minus 1. Okay, and look at the power of this 2. Okay, so what I will do, I will take 2 common from here so that we can make power to be same as lower subscript. Okay, so I will take 9 by 2 common. So we will be left with, inside bracket we will be left with 8c r minus 1 into 1 by 2 power r minus 1. Okay, plus this thing is done. First part is okay. Now look at the second part. In second part we will take 3 common and second part is awesome. 9cr 1 by 2 power r. Okay, so look at this. So just look at this part. So if you will open, let's apply the summation property. R starts from 1 to 9 है ना. So we will have 9 by 2 and then 8c r minus 1 1 by 2 power r minus 1, and then we have second component as plus 3 9cr and then 1 by 2 power r. Okay, now let's break this thing. You know that the summation property can be distributed when it is in addition or subtraction. So can we take 9 by 2 common, and we will be having r starts from 1 to 9, 8c r minus 1 1 by 2 power r minus 1 plus 3 common summation r starts from 1 to 9 and then 9cr by 1 by 2 power r. Okay, so if you will observe this thing, the lower subscript of c and the power of this component is same. So can I consider this 1 by 2 as y? And look at this thing, it is also there. Okay, so like we will have, sorry, 9 by 2, we will have everything means 8c0 1 by 2 power 0, 8c1 1 by 2 power 1 dot dot dot, then c8, okay, 1 by 2 power 8, okay, plus 3, and look at this. Here we will have little bit of problem, but we will manage. So it starts from 1. So 9c1, 1 by 2 power 1, 9c2, 1 by 2 power 2, dot dot dot, 9c9, 1 by 2 power 9. We have everything, but we don't have the first component, which is, I will write first component and I will subtract first component. Okay, 9c0, 1 by 2 power 0, 9c0, 1 by 2 power 0. Okay, so we will simplify this thing. Now look at this. So can I write this thing as 9 by 2, and look at this. This is every term, and I feel that you have NCR, you have Y component. Okay, because lower subscript of C is same as upper subscript of 1 by 2. Lower subscript of C, upper subscript of 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is behaving like Y. So can I write 1 plus 1 by 2, means I am assuming X to be 1. So it is 8 plus 3 times, and then we will be having 1 plus 1 by 2 power 9, and then minus of 1. Okay, this thing is 1. Okay, now look at this. Can I write this thing as 9 by 2, then 3 by 2 power 8 plus 3 times 3 by 2 power 9 minus 3. Like how they wrote answer? Okay, 3 by 2 power 9. Okay, so we have to take 3 by 2 common. Okay, 3 by 2 power 9 common. So we have to create this 3 by 2. So look at this. Can I write this 9 as 3 into 3? Okay, so these two things will get clubbed and will produce 3 power 3 by 2 power 9, and we can take the thing common. Okay, so we have 3 by 2 power 9 common, and then we are left with what? 3 plus 3, that is 6 minus 3. Okay, so according to me, answer is this: 3 by 2 power 9 minus 3. But according to them, answer is alpha into 3 by 2 power 9 plus beta. Therefore, alpha is equal to what? Coefficient of 3 by 2 power 9, that is 6. And beta, who is beta? Beta is minus 3. And they are interested in finding alpha plus beta. So the required value is 3. Okay. So we got our required value as 3. Okay. I hope the idea is clear.